In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a slide border to all slides in Google Slides. This is a great way to ensure your presentation looks professional and consistent. So let's dive right in. First of all, you'll need to open Google Slides. You can do this by heading over to Google Drive and selecting Google Slides from the New option. If you already have a presentation ready, simply open it up to get started. Once you're in, take a moment to review your slides and decide on the border style that best suits your presentation. Choosing a consistent design theme is vital to giving your presentation a polished look. Now, click on the first slide where you'd like to add a border. Go to the Insert tab at the top of the window. From the drop-down menu, hover over Shape, and you'll see options for different shapes. Select the rectangle shape since creating a simple rectangular border is usually the most straightforward option and suits most styles. When you've selected the rectangle shape, click and drag your cursor across the slide, forming a border around the content area. You don't need to worry about the exact placement at this stage. You can adjust it in the next steps. Once you release the click, a rectangle will appear on your slide. To ensure this rectangle works as a border, you'll need to adjust its properties. Click on the rectangle to select it. You can resize it by dragging the corner or side handles until it fits perfectly along the edges of your slide without covering your content. For a more precise adjustment, you can use the arrow keys to nudge it slightly into perfect alignment. Now, let's make sure your border looks just right. With the rectangle still selected, go to the line color icon in the toolbar, which looks like a pencil, and choose the color that suits your presentation. Additionally, you can adjust the line weight to make your border thicker or thinner until it looks how you want. This customization might seem small, but it really enhances the overall look of your slides. Once you're satisfied, it's time to apply this border to all slides in your presentation. Click on the rectangle, then go to the menu and select Edit, followed by Copy. Now, select the next slide in your presentation, go back to Edit, and choose Paste. Keep in mind that you may have to do some minor adjustments to the borders on different slides, depending on each slide's content layout, but the process remains the same. Repeat this copy and paste procedure for each slide until all of them have a consistent border. Doing this manually might seem tedious, but it ensures that each border aligns perfectly with the specific content of each slide. And there you have it. You've successfully added a slide border to all of your slides in Google Slides. Implement these straightforward steps for a more professional-looking presentation. Thank you for watching and happy presenting.